In commemoration of the enactment of the Indian Legal Services Authorities Act 1987, Legal Services Day was today celebrated by the Meghalaya Legal Services Authority (MSLSA). The main aim of this observance is to spread legal awareness among people. A series of publicity campaigns were carried out which included announcement through mobile vans and distribution of pamphlets and posters. A webinar on free legal services was also organized. Briefing the press in the office of MSLSA, Sir N.A. Khan, Member Secretary MSLSA, said that the main aim of the Legal Services Authority at the national, state, district and subdivisional level is to ensure free legal aid and services to the weaker sections of the society. He further informed that there are 130 panel lawyers handling over 408 cases, of which 407 are criminal cases and 1 is a civil case. There are 10 panel lawyers in the High Court handling cases free of cost for economically weaker sections in need of legal aid. For the assistance of people coming to the court, there are 8 functional front offices in different districts of the state. From January 2020 till date, 924 people have been assisted through the front offices. In remand cases, 573 people have been assisted. In compliance with the Supreme Court order to decongest jails in view of the COVID-19 pandemic, around 400 prisoners involved in petty crimes have been released on bail. Under the Meghalaya Victims Compensation Scheme 2019, 153 victims recommended by the District Legal Services Authority have received compensation through the State Legal Service Authority to the tune of 45,95,000 in cases involving sexual offences. 11 lakh have been paid in cases under penal law.
Legal Service Day.
With the aim of sensitizing people about their rights, duties and benefits of different government schemes, the State and District Legal Services Authority have been able to reach out to 1,670 women, 449 children, 272 senior citizens and 134 persons with mental and physical disabilities through their outreach and sensitization programs. Extensive campaigns have also been carried out at the grassroots level. Sir N.A. Khan has also informed that 233 paralegal volunteers have been deputed in various important offices, police stations and legal care and support centers to help the weaker sections of society, and from January till date, 567 people have benefited through the 70 legal care and support centers spread across the state.
We find that under the Legal Service Authority Act, under the National Legal Service Authority, Section 6 of the Legal Service Authority Act, State Legal Services Authority is constituted, and as I mentioned that this Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority was constituted on 15 July 1998 under Section 6 of the Legal Service Authority Act. And then in districts we have District Legal Service Authority constituted under Section 9 of the Legal Service Authority Act. Now as on date, we have 11 District Legal Service Authority in all the districts in the state of Meghalaya. And we have High Court Legal Services Committee in the High Court. And as we all know that the primary object of this legal service institution and legal service authority at the national level, at the state level and at the district level and even at the subdivisional level is to ensure free legal aid and services to the weaker section of the society. Now in the state of Meghalaya, there is no limitation because this free legal aid is applicable to the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, to the women and for general people where the income limits have been set up to rupees 1 lakh. Very soon we'll be holding a meeting of the High Power Committee. So we have the High Power Committee is basically for the purpose of decongesting the jail. But at the same time we have the Under Trial Review Committee headed by the district judge in each district. So they constantly visit the jail and keep on monitoring that those people who are incarcerated in jail or who are under detention, if they have served the sentence their sentence more than half under detention, so we identify those people and we release them. But we have released a very good number. Approximately, pursuant to the High Power Committee, we have released more than 400. But not on serious offences, all petty offences. it looks like something to do with the medicine. So that is why many a times at the inception it started with this name, legal service clinic, and later on, because of this confusion, we started calling this legal services clinic as legal care and support centers. Now, as on date, we have 70 legal care and support centers in the state in various districts. Total number of 567 people were benefited by these legal care and support centers from January till date. And we are looking forward, because of the pandemic of COVID-19, the functioning of these legal service institutions, support centers, perhaps was for a short moment, it was not very effective. Farmers also, they have their rights. Now, if there is any kind of a discrimination, or if their rights have been deprived of, it has the potential of a litigation, isn't it? So why wait till somebody comes to the court when we can resolve the matter at the lowest level? When we can sort out the matter by without going to the court.